Hello techies. Welcome to our brand new video series focused on helping you get the most of your experiences in life. Before we start the video, let's know about Upptalk. Upptalk is a live, interactive platform for software training, furnishing robust personalities who could take on universal business platforms.
There is no security group that is allowed to hire an employee directly from their employment agreements. Similarly, who is allowed to hire a student? No one. No one, because it is empty. Right. No one is authorized to do that. And similarly, here we have another hire employee option, which says search for pre-hires former workers, inactive students or inactive external students, and hire them into an open position. So this is also another hire employee task. But thankfully, we don't have any security groups here. If we had security groups here, then we would have seen multiple hire employee option. But here are again two more hire employee options. Hire an employee from the directed actions of the pre-hire, former worker, inactive student, etc. So all of these are different flavors of the hire employee task. It is there in multiple places. It is. It is. Some of them are overlapping with each other. So why do we have so many hire employee tasks? It is because we may need to segregate what each section of the population can do. Right. What does the manager? What is the manager authorized? What is the recruitment partner? What is the recruiter authorized? What is the HR partner authorized to do? So for that we may give them access to the different hire employee tasks. Most of it is similar, but there are subtle differences this way. Okay, so based on which one works for us, we will have to we have to give the access. If all my hiring would be done by the recruiters, right, then I would give them only access to something at the top right here. Okay, and remove the access from the other areas. I'll keep it simple and less confusing. Right. Okay. So this is about who can start. Now, who can do action steps in the business process? Who can review an employee hire? Who can do the review step? Again, HR partner, HR analyst, and some organization partners. Right. So these are some of the groups who can do it. And who can do actions on the entire business process. The view all. View completed, only approve OK. Ad hoc, approve cancel. Right. These are some things that will be common for all business process definitions, and you can include the security groups as part of this. Let's look at the termination business process. Okay, in the termination business process security policy, who can initiate the terminate employee task? You see, around 172 security groups have been given the authority to initiate the terminate employee. Now can we do? We have the all employees somewhere. We don't have the all employees security group, right? If we have the all employees security group, then there will be utter chaos because everybody will be authorized to terminate another employee. Right. We don't have that. We only have office managers, senior HR partners, managers, executives. we have those set of people who are authorized to terminate an employee. Okay, that. And we have a bunch of HR partners that we are authorized to do that. Okay, now using a web service. Again, this is an integration. If you use an integration to terminate an employee, if you have to do a bulk termination, then these are the security groups. 163 of them are eligible or authorized to terminate an employee. Okay, and then we have some other actions that terminate from submit resignation, terminate for review probation period, import terminate employee. It's a background web service. Okay, terminate for review employee contract. So, again, these are some of the tasks that are available in the system, and these are the security groups that are associated with it. Again, we have this section which says who can do action steps in the business process. This section, like I said, is common for all business process definitions, business process security policies. Sorry, it is common for all business process security policies. So we will configure certain groups as part of the security policy. Yes, question. Okay, and how do we edit the security policy? We scroll down to the bottom, edit permissions. Okay, we will edit the permissions, and we can add or remove security groups as part of this business process. Security policy permissions. If I want to remove AB Office Manager, I will remove that. AB, Senior HR Partner, I will remove. Right, I wanted to remove this. I remove this and then I will click on OK. If I want to add someone to the security group, then I will go to this particular task. Let's say terminate from submit resignation. I want to have the HR partner the ability to do that. So I will say HR partner. Okay, and there was, let's say, this one. Or there was this our partner M. Right, so let's use this and click OK. So now, what did I do? I added a security group to the business process security policy. Alright, I added that. And then, what should I do after I made a change? Activate. Right? I have to activate the pending security policy changes. Let me do that. Yes, Shrutik. Question, Shrutik. Oh no, sorry, Grish, I have joined again. Okay, all right. So now, after we make the change to the security policy, then we have to activate. Activate pending security policy changes. So we do that, and you will see that I am making a change. Let's say K or crash. Okay, changed. Termination hire and termination business process security policies, right? Hire and termination. Policies, but I think we did not change the hire. We only changed the termination one. Click OK. We will find out. Okay, it's reviewing the changes. What all has been done since the last change? And you see only the termination business process that has been changed at such and such times. I will click OK. I confirm and OK. Right, it will activate the termination business process. Security policy changes that we have done. Now the next thing that we will talk about is, let's quickly review, then, what are the different security reports or the security tasks that we came across? Before I go to that page and give you the answer, let me ask you, what are the different tasks that you remember from what we did as part of this few sessions? What were the tasks or the reports that we used?
Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. For more information, contact us at sales@upptalk.com.